wife and I have been interested in solar energy for quite a while. It's just really been a question of being too busy to figure out. It just always seems sort of daunting, figuring out the tax issues, figuring out who to use. A friend of ours told us that he had done extensive due diligence across all of the solar companies in the area and had come to the conclusion that Altenergy was the company to go with. And I decided to do due diligence anyway. Then we had, I think, 5 or 6 solar companies come present. And then we created a spreadsheet. My son works for a solar company in Boston, Massachusetts. I asked my son to look at it. I asked my friend Stuart in Florida, a solar devotee, to look at it. At the end of the day, across all of the metrics that we had set up, Altenergy just seemed like the clear company to go with.
Bruce and Alco were very thorough with their decision-making process. We allowed them the time that they needed to make an educated decision. They asked a lot of great questions about the process of going solar, and we remained available to help answer those. We handled all aspects of the project, from engineering, procurement, we handled permitting, construction. We will maintain the system as necessary going forward, and we're monitoring production.
Everybody we've dealt with at Altenergy has been fantastic. Saul in particular and Brendan have been particularly good. All of our interactions with everybody at Altenergy have been terrific.